So YouTube, it's your boy Fat Rock with another pickup. Got this in the mail today. Really excited about this one. You guys have been following the videos. You know, it's kind of special to me. I came in this today from California. This came in the mail today, so then you guys know what to think. About to pick up. Got this thing packed up. Alright, got it open, guys. Alright, took some of them. Alright. Alright, y'all, here we go. Woo. Got the Army. Army special HOH exclusive Army FOAMPOSITE, and I have them. And they in my size. See, there we go, y'all. Pick up. Open. Dead stop. As you already know. See that icy green bottom? So there we go, y'all. Got the Army. Dead stock. Well, there we go, guys. Fat Rock new pickup. Got the Army's dead stock in my size. So I'm only one shoe away from having all the, for all you specifics, penny one FOAMPOSITE. So rate, subscribe, comment. Got the, again, dead stock, dead Armies. Peace.